All right, hey y'all. Um, so this is my project. It's called SaveSudoku.org. Chose .org because why not? It'd be different. And that's also a lot about me. I don't normally do things the normal way or the easy way. Um, a lot of times I just try and go the way that is outside the box, not with the flow kind of thing. And so that's why when choosing what I was going to do for a business, I definitely said no to the online store. So ultimately, we are a advertising business um, that runs underneath a Sudoku site. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find any companies willing to advertise with us, so basically we're a Sudoku site. So here's our homepage. It tells you a little bit about Sudoku. It actually originated in America, even though the name is Japanese. You can click on this to learn how to play it, and we'll talk about that later. Then it goes into some of kind of the frequently asked questions about Sudoku. I started playing about 8 or 9, so really anyone can play it. And practice definitely makes perfect. You know, the more you play it, the better you get, the faster you get at it. So then moving on, how to play it. Um, there's not really a whole lot to Sudoku. If you don't know how to play it, pretty simple. Just the biggest thing, do not guess. That's about it. Then from there, we can customers can click on this to play the game, or just click up here. So I'm not very good at programming at all. Um, so I was not able to come up with a Sudoku widget, anything like that. That's why it's really, really small. Um, So this is actually from another one of my competition. I'm using their Sudoku widget um, just because I don't know how to program it and I wanted something pretty low maintenance overall, and so that's what I did. Um, tools wise, I mean, WordPress was definitely the way to go on building the site, and then Google Ads, just kind of running that campaign. I really wanted something that was low maintenance, knowing that I was going to have a pretty rough semester, and so the low maintenance kind of business model was kind of what I was looking for. Um, did I did find out that my ads were most successful in India and Mongolia, which is kind of cool, especially since we had that option of only showing in America or worldwide, and I definitely chose the better option with going worldwide. Thanks, and that's my presentation.